Welcome. Today I want to share with you a more advanced breathing practice called segmented breath or step breath, which will help you develop greater breath awareness as well as more nuanced control over your breath cycles. We're going to be using the ocean breath or Ujjayi breathing in this practice. If you're not familiar with that, then I'll refer you back to another video on my page that you can do before trying this one. Before we start, let me review the cycle so that we're familiar with the sequence. We're going to begin thinking of the breath in three sections: belly section, heart section, shoulders. We'll start our inhales at the base and kind of let them flow up like an elevator. The exhales, the elevator goes back down from shoulders to heart to belly. In this segmented breath, we're going to breathe in 2/3 of the breath and take a pause, and then finish the inhale all the way to the top. A brief pause at the top leads us into our exhale, 2/3 exhale, pause, and then we'll finish the exhale with a brief pause at the bottom of the breath. I'll guide you through. Before we begin, let's take a moment and find our neutral spine and pelvis. Start by leaning forward and walking your sitting bones back a little bit. And then keep the pelvis in that neutral tilt as you arch the lower back to bring your torso upright again. Let your hands rest on your thighs where it's comfortable. So we just felt the gentle arch in our lower back that swoops forward towards your belly. Notice if your heart's doing that too. Instead, allow your heart to rest back into the spine, to create more filling up between the shoulder blades without dumping that lower back. So the lower back again is arching forward, the upper back is rounding, and then finally the neck arches, which opens up this front part of your throat and brings your head back slightly in space. We'll begin by exhaling to prepare, and we'll do a full breath cycle without the pauses. Begin inhaling belly, inhale heart, inhale shoulders, smooth exhale shoulders, exhale heart, exhale belly. We begin segmented breath. Breathe in belly, breathe in heart, and pause. Finish inhale shoulders and pause at the top. Smooth exhale shoulders and heart. Pause here. Finish exhale through the belly and pause empty. Breathing in, pause. Finish inhale and pause on full. Exhale, exhale, pause. Finish exhale, pause empty. Continue in, pause. Inhale shoulders, pause on full. Smooth exhale, exhale, pause. Finish exhale belly, pause empty. Breathing in, pause. Inhale shoulders, pause full. Exhale, exhale, pause. Finish exhale belly, pause empty. Breathing in, in, pause, inhale shoulders, retain at the top. Exhale, exhale, pause, finish, exhale, belly, empty, pause. Breathing in, pause, inhale shoulders, and pause full. Exhale, exhale, pause, finish, exhale, and pause empty. One more cycle, in, pause, inhale shoulders, retain, exhale, exhale, pause, finish your exhale, belly, pause empty. Now an uninterrupted breath in, smoothly out, out, out. Two more, in, and out, out, out. Breathe in, and out, out, out. Release manipulation of your breath and just let your body breathe itself. Stay for a moment in this pause to observe the effects of the breathing practice on how you feel. Experiment with letting go of judgments of yourself and your performance, judgments of your body's reaction. And just allow a neutral observation, noting what you see and feel in this moment. These practices help cultivate peace within ourselves so that we have more peace to share with others out in the world. Thank you for taking time to cultivate peace. Have a good day.